cannot build skyscrapers without a strong foundation. Hi, I am Nitin Krishna, a business consultant and a corporate trainer. Leadership is an important quality which is required for all the professionals and entrepreneurs. There are a lot of leadership theories available nowadays. A lot of books are also available which talks about these leadership theories. But I am not going to talk about any of these books or any of these theories. I am going to talk about my own experience in leadership. I worked with almost 30 leaders in my professional life. I reported to almost 8 leaders directly. Each of them were having different leadership styles. They were unique. I learned so many things from them, and now I am applying all these leadership styles and my learnings in the organizations where I do business consulting. There was a leader called Vipul Shetty, to whom I reported for almost 2 years. I learned so many things from him. Next 5 or 6 episodes, let us learn from Vipul Shetty. I started my career in an Indian pharmaceutical company. I worked there for almost 7 years. Then I shifted to a US-based multinational pharmaceutical company. At that time I was very much excited because I'm going to get an exposure in a multinational company. I was armed with an experience of 7 years at that time. My product knowledge was good, my industry knowledge was good because I worked in different locations, I worked in different specialities. So I was a little bit confident at that time. But when I joined in this new company, I had a boss who was about to quit the organization. So I got little training from him. So the knowledge about their marketing strategies as well as their reporting system was not up to the mark at that time. I had a team of 6 territory business managers. Out of the 2 positions were vacant. So I was totally confused because I'm not getting a proper guidance from anybody at that time. So I was in a mess. As a relief, Mr. Vipul Shetty joined as the Sonal business manager, that is as my boss. First day, we decided to work at Trivandrum. There was a territory business manager at Trivandrum who was having an experience of 6 months. He was supposed to have a doctor list of 150, but unfortunately his doctor list was only 60 at that time. So we entered the first doctor chamber. More than the TBM, I explained about the products well to the doctor. I expressed my product knowledge well to him, that's also in front of my new boss. I really expected an appreciation from people. But once we came out of the doctor chamber, people asked a different question. Nitin, what's your plan for the day? I asked the territory business manager to give the plan for the day. He gave it in a scribbling pad which is in a handwritten form. But people refused to accept it. He asked me, Nitin, where is the printout? Where is the printout which is taken from company system? I told him, sir, it is not available. It is not uploaded in the system properly, that's why I was not able to take the printout. He asked me, why? And I told, sir, I didn't get proper training to do all these things. I thought that you will give the proper training, then after that we will upload everything in the system. Then he asked me, Nitin, why didn't you ask the IT people to help you to do it? Why didn't you ask the head office people to help you to do it? You are the area business manager, it is your responsibility to ensure the systems are on track. Again he asked me one more question, how could I allow this person to work in the field without basics are on place? Really, I got frustrated. I expected an appreciation from people about for my product knowledge, but I got a scolding from him. I got really annoyed and frustrated at that time. But later I understood that question is right. How could I allow a person to work in the field without basics are on place? This is the first learning in leadership. We cannot build skyscrapers without a strong foundation. So the first responsibility of a leader is to ensure the foundation. to ensure the basics are on place. As a leader, we should not allow any of our team member to work in the field or to work on any projects without making or without ensuring the basics are on place. So this is the first learning in leadership. Let us learn new things in coming episodes. If you like this video, please subscribe and click on bell button. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.